Hello, I'm Beth Wagner, physical therapist. In this video, I'm bringing you part 2 of my scapular dyskinesis video focused on strengthening exercises. Today, I'm going to show you 5 excellent exercises for strengthening the shoulder girdle in order to fully resolve scapular dyskinesis. Now this video is for you if you've already watched part 1 of my scapular dyskinesis video and you've already completed those 7 active range of motion exercises with relative ease, smooth range of motion, and no pain. Once you've completed those exercises, you're ready to move on to strengthening. With all of these exercises, I'll be using a resistance band. Now you want to choose a resistance band with enough resistance so that you start to feel tired at about 12 repetitions, but you're able to complete 15 repetitions before you need to rest. So you might need to try a couple of different resistance bands to find the right level for each particular exercise. In some exercises, you might need more resistance, and in other exercises, less resistance will work better for you. It's normal to feel some stretch discomfort and muscle ache with these exercises, but you shouldn't feel any sharp, shooting, or stabbing pain. You shouldn't be feeling any pins and needles anywhere in the shoulder region. If you do, stop these exercises right away. You could try to adjust your posture and the amount of movement and see if you're able to complete the exercise without any of those symptoms. If not, then stop this program as these exercises aren't the best for you at this point in time. The first exercise is horizontal abduction using a resistance band. Starting with tall posture, with your chest lifted, shoulder blades relaxed, down and back, and a little bit of a chin tuck, with your feet about hip distance apart. Hold the band with your palms facing down and lift your arms to just below shoulder height. Start with a little bit of tension on the band with your hands about shoulder distance. Now, first step is to squeeze the shoulder blades back together and pull your hands out to the side, just about until the band touches your chest. Pause here and then slowly return to the starting position. Again, squeeze your blades, pull your hands out, pause, and return to the starting position. As you return to the center, keep a little bit of tension on the band. Don't fully relax your arms like this. Hold a little bit of tension here. Try matching your breathing pattern with the motion, where you exhale as you go out to the side and inhale, going back to the center. Exhale, squeeze your blades, pull the band out to the side. Inhale, slowly return to the center. The second exercise is diagonals with the band. Starting in the same position with your hands out front, just below your shoulder height, palms down. Squeeze your blades and lift your right arm up, your left arm down in a diagonal, bringing the band toward your chest. Return to the starting position and switch diagonals. Left hand up, right hand down, and return to the starting position. And continue. Right hand up, left hand down, and return to the starting position. Left hand up, right down, and return to the starting position. Continue 15 repetitions of the horizontal abduction and the diagonals. The next exercise is bilateral shoulder external rotation. Starting with the band in your hands with your palms up. Bend your elbows to about 90 degrees, squeeze your blades, and bring your hands out to the side, keeping your elbows fairly close to your body. So the band will be coming across your belly instead of your chest with this exercise. Slowly come back to the center. Stretch the band out, pulling your hands out to the side, band comes towards your belly. Keep your elbows relaxed by your side, pause, and return to the starting position. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, pull your hands apart, and pause. Come back to the starting position. Continue 15 repetitions or as many as you feel comfortable to start with. Again, the best level of resistance band is one that you feel tired at about 12 repetitions, but you're able to complete 15 repetitions before you need to take a break. Feel free to adjust that up or down a few repetitions based on what feels comfortable for you. Also, just pull the band out to the side as far as you feel comfortable going. Don't push too hard, don't press through any pain. The next one is Scaption, using the resistance band. For this one, I'm going to step on the band, putting it just underneath the ball of my foot. I'm going to hold the band in each hand, thumb up, and starting with tall posture again, I'm going to lift my hands up at a 45-degree angle, up this way, and then over my head. And slowly lower, back to the starting position. Again, thumbs go up toward the ceiling, squeeze the blades, lift the arms at 45 degrees, pause at the top, and slowly lower. Now you can adjust the band based on what feels best for you. You can do a little circle with it if that feels a little bit better, so that you have a little bit more of a grip on the band. That's just fine. This is also a great exercise to pattern your breathing. Try inhaling before you start the exercise, in through the nose, and then exhale, lift. And then inhale as you lower, and exhale, lift. Inhale through the nose, lower. Okay, continue 15 repetitions, or as many as you feel comfortable to start with. The next exercise is a row. There are several different ways to do this exercise. I'm going to show you the way that I think is easiest to set up in a home situation. Using your resistance band, find a place where you can sit and stretch one leg out. You might do this on the floor, on the edge of your bed, on the couch, something like that. So we'll bring one leg up onto the edge of the bed or the couch, or again, you could try this on the floor. Bring the band around the base of your foot, the ball of your foot. So the foot is going to act as the anchor for this rowing exercise. Okay, now squeeze the band on both sides of your foot. Sit up tall with your chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, a little bit of a chin tuck. And now squeeze your shoulder blades together, bend your elbows, and pull the band back towards you. So your hands are coming in towards your waist. Pause here, and then slowly return to the starting position. Exhale as you squeeze your blades, bring your arms back, hand towards your waist, pause, slowly release toward the starting position. Exhale, squeeze and pull the band back, pause, inhale, return to the starting position. Exhale, squeeze and pull the band back. Inhale through the nose as you return to the start. Continue 15 repetitions, or as many as you feel comfortable starting with. Now moving on to the last exercise, the one arm row. We'll start with the same position, using the foot as an anchor, and with tension on the band, tall posture. Now we're going to row one arm at a time. Exhale, squeeze the blade, pull the arm back, pause, inhale, return to the starting position. Exhale on the left side, squeeze and pull the band back, inhale through the nose to the start. Exhale, squeeze on the right side, pull back. Inhale, and exhale left side. Inhale, return. Continue alternating left and right sides, 15 repetitions on each side. All right, and that wraps up these 5 strengthening exercises. I hope you found these strengthening exercises helpful for you to fully resolve scapular dyskinesis and help you get back to doing the things that you love to do every single day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. This not only helps my channel, but it tells YouTube that this is helpful information. And that will help more people see this video who could benefit from its content. Please leave any questions and comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I'm able. Here's to your healing, health, and happiness. Have a wonderful day.